So after ranting about the client that wanted me to design a 3-story building for just 50,000 naira, I decided to do a quick sketch of the design to show you guys how I go about my design sketches. Can you imagine me, a full-fledged architect, collecting 50,000 naira? God forbid. So let's go to the main thing, Jerry. Professional in this country, we've suffered. So the first thing we do is that we mark out the site boundaries. After marking the site boundaries, we mark out the possible building's footprint, taking note of proper setbacks. While we do that, we mark out the possible entrance and the access roads. While we do that, we start subdividing the floor plan. As you can see, there's a staircase at the back, the veranda in front. There are 3 rooms on the left-hand side. There is kitchen, dining, and lounge. And we have the walkway at the center, more like a corridor. We also have the visitor's toilet, the master bedroom's toilet, the other room's toilet, noting the possible entrances of the toilet doors. Then while we do that, we put annotation lounge, master bedroom, bedroom, kitchen, and dining. While we do that, we take in some of the parts of the plan so that it's going to be very visible for us while we're making other designs. While we do that, we put other dimensions, as you can see, so that we don't overspill the space we have or over-design the space we have. While we do that, we note how much space we are allocating to one room. As you can see, we go back to the site to check out what we are doing on the site. We have an entrance at the back. It's a back gate so that when the tenants come, they climb from the steps behind and just go straight up, so that they won't disturb the owner of the house. While we do that, we put further annotation like the main access road and the secondary access road. While we do that, we mark out other aspects of the site plan so that we can make the site look more beautiful. While we do that, we design the parking in front. As you can see, we have 4 parking in front. While we do that, we mark out other relevant parts of the design. Like the building is a contemporary building, what we usually know as the Lakey standard. While we do that, we take in the side boundaries so that what we are sketching will be clear to us. While we do that, we keep adding tiny details like beacons and things to give us more ideas. We put the car symbol. I bet you didn't know that the car symbol is a pointed triangle in architecture. Then we shade the floor areas that will have tiles on them so that it gives it some contrast. When we're done with that, we go straight to the elevation. We start sketching the elevation, see how the elevation comes. It's a flat roof sloping at the back side of the building, and we try to create the building to have good massing. While we're doing that, we put foliage. While we do the foliage, we put other landscape elements on the side. We even put human entourage, as you can see, on the ground floor, on the first floor and the second floor. And while we're done with that, we shade all the areas that need to be shaded to give it some depth. And as you can see, the top of the house is going to be finished with tiles, and that's why we're shading it. And we put further entourage, darken the environment, the background, and voila, we are done. Please subscribe to my page. My name is still Don Callis, the only smart tech Don in this space. Thanks for watching. Bye.